Okay, so just in time, the Planetfall app is done, so I'm going to do a quick demo just to show it off and give everyone an idea of how to use it. So this is a basic Android phone. This is just my carry-around phone. And then I open up the Planetfall app on it right there. And since I haven't put my character on it yet, it asks me to sync. Now, how you sync in the Planetfall app is if you go to the web page, once your characters are approved, the web page will have a QR code on it for your character, and this will sync with the app. So I press sync on it. It gives me my webcam on the phone, and then I sync with the app itself, and it just told me I've synced with it, and that's all that's required. So okay, so I go to the main menu button. That's right there. Okay, switching to a slightly bigger one so you know what I'm looking at. This isn't showing up well on the camera. So basically there's a scan button and there's a colonist record button. And down here there's another button called medical emergency. I'm going to show off the scan button first. You start with the scan button. It shows you your webcam once again. This is a front-facing camera, so that's all it's going to use real quick. And then we're going to have these QR codes scattered about the site, and they're going to give you various descriptions of things. They're going to kick off events. They're going to give you all sorts of stuff. So I go and while I was doing that, it scanned it. If you scan the various things, you get a description. You'll notice that I got a description right there, the general description, and I got a description specific to the skill set that my character has. And if there's a lot of information, I'd be able to scroll back and down right there. So I go back to the main menu using the button up at the top. And then if I just want to view my character sheet, I press the colonist record button right underneath it, and it gives me a list of all my skills and equipment and all that stuff in a nice blue sci-fi font. The last thing is the medical emergency button. The medical emergency button starts your bleed out. You basically, if you get hit, you go to this screen and you get hit start bleed out. This starts a countdown and also has this QR code which someone with the doctor skill can scan. You get two buttons right here, which actually another player is supposed to use. There's the treat button, which the doctor presses when they've scanned the code and they've started treatment. And then there's the administer first aid. If someone has first aid, they're allowed to press this button. The administer first aid right now, it's going to be more complicated in the future, but for now, just extends your bleed out time and then disappears. You can only administer first aid once. Administering first aid takes 1 minute of bandaging and so forth. So once I have a QR code, I'm bleeding out. So another user can come in and hit scan if they have the doctor skill. Like this, the character link to this one is. Once again, I get the webcam view, and I go in and I scan the code, and then I hit treat, and that stops it. And over here, you'll see that we have now a doctor screen. This is going to be replaced with a mini game, which can actually improve the results. But what it gives you for now is it gives you a countdown to how long your treatment takes, and it gives you a general description of the wound. In this case, a moderate wound, 10 minutes of treatment. The results here are determined by the physician skill of the person doing the treatment. The likelihood, there's a weighted randomization in here that various things can affect, including equipment and all that stuff. So that is the Planetfall app. I'm pretty proud of it. It seems to be working out really well. There's a lot to be expanded on this. So cool. Well, I'll see you this weekend. Have a good one.